That's right, baby girl. All right, let's jump into it. So let me turn off these after hours. So that y'all know the same thing I'm looking at. We all speaking the same language. Let's see. Oh, all right, we good. So let's go take a quick scan here. Just take a look at some inside 4 hours, see what we got. We got 262 matches. On the charts here, first one, what we got? Got some Data Dogs, some Micron. Okay. We'll see. So let's check it out. First one I see here is D-Dog and Sava. Let's take a look at those two and see what's sitting here. My kids be on one. All right, so we've got the 2 hour over here. We got the 4 hour over here on the top right. D-Dog actually didn't. D-Dog held up pretty decently considering what everything else did in the afternoon. We've got continuity on the day and the week. Looks green. Looks like we'll probably get some pushback. I think we'll get probably a 2-up day or maybe a strong inside day. There's a lot of wick ground to cover. We got about $10 to cover for it to go 2 up on the day, so maybe not. But today was a good day though. $19, 12% on the day. So there should be some continuation. I would expect. So you've got a. So I mean, if you like the 2 hour setups, there is one above 175.12, and then on the 4 hour, you've got this inside that'll give you that 212 above 179.29, but you've got a downside, possibly as well below 172.12. Just in my common sense mind, is probably will go sideways or up just a tick. It may flag there, or it could continue up tomorrow. We'll see. But the way the charts looks like we'll probably get another. Maybe it'll be green, but it will get a strong inside day tomorrow. So I'm not going to mark any levels for it, but D-Dog is one. You could probably take a look for it to see what happens. Set your levels for it. Then you got Sava ranks. Sava ranks. So yeah, Sava ranks. Let's pull this thing. Let's drag it up here. This one pulled back quite a bit over the last little bit. So we had a good day. Was that today? Yeah, today. Shout out there today. So we are in force on the week. Today, it's just a lot of wick. So tomorrow, it looks like we've got triple inside. Was this 2 hours? And you've got, of course, we've got a Chicago setup on the 4. I'll take a look. Maybe I'll take a flyer on Sava. I'm actually gonna be traveling in the morning. I gotta head into LA pretty early, so I may catch y'all the second half of the morning. I may be on the call, but I'll be on the road at that time. 53, I'm gonna do 53.42. That's my trigger point. That 2 hour trigger point is interesting to me though. That's an interesting level. I think I'm gonna go for the 4 hour just to stay consistent. 53.86 is my level. 53. I'm sorry. I'm not typing correctly. This damn thing's tripping. All right. See if we get a little continuation on Sawa. 53.86. We'll see. We'll see. Y'all know how I feel about tech tech stocks. So let's see what else we got here. We got Sono and you got MU. Let's take a look at Sono. Sono. No. Let's go take a look at MU. What we got here on MU. End of the day, tried to hammer. Same thing there. Broad information, respected it. Kind of broke through it and came back under. Been a very strong week candle. Ain't really much to say about MU. Looks solid. Looks good. As far as the entry, doesn't, but I mean, it may be one you want to keep your eye on, mark a level for. But again, tomorrow, we'll see how tomorrow, opens up and behaves. But, when I'm looking at it, hold on one second. So yeah, with NU, I'm looking at
get a whooping.
Yeah, I can't even hear myself talking. You got a possibly a strong inside day tomorrow. So that could be potentially what happens with MU. If you get continuation, you'll be above 94.64. It's not giving you the beautiful signal, but just been following how the chips have been going. This is one that can go in continuation to up tomorrow. Let's keep it moving. Got AHT at. Let's take a look at AHT. Probably not looking too hot. It's flat. All right, let's keep it moving. Southwestern Energy. Oh, that's one of the new tickers we've been talking about lately. AZN and Blink. I do like Blink. Let's take a look at Blink. Blink did not have a strong afternoon. Pretty much like the rest of the market did not. They did not show up well in the afternoon. Let's keep going. Airbnb, let's take a look. We got Boeing next. Airbnb, everything did the same looking kind of candle. All right, inside 4, EA, similar look. Yeah, everything looks the same, or it has a similar look to it. Inside 4, I don't see it continuing to drop like it did in the afternoon. Boeing still like it's going to keep tracking upward. We got X, CLF. Look at those together. As you know, we in X. Most of the whole damn pack is in X. You see what's happening. What else? So yeah, we've got the 2 hours set up. We got the hammer here on the 2 hours, so that was a good sign for the last part of the day. And then we've got the inside 4 hour here. I would have preferred for it to be green. You see what we've got here with the broadening formation. So we're just dealing with that. We'll probably push right back above it tomorrow, make a new high. Probably pull back in the afternoon and do similar, or maybe go flat. X still looks good to me. If you want to track it on the 4 hour, we're already in there. But you can set an alert for above 24.55 as an entry point on the 4 hour. And then on the 2 hour, you can find one above 24.25 will be your level for X. CLF. Let's take a look at CLF. CLF looks exactly like X, just the hammer isn't green here on the 2 hour. Similar deal for the 4 hour though, as well as the day. It's just been moving up steadily. I don't expect nothing less tomorrow. I just had a very good day today with some corrective activity in the afternoon. So we'll see how it holds up in the morning. But I expect this one to go 2 up on the day tomorrow, just like X. Doesn't look like we have the most good looking entries either. No, let's take a look at Snow, then Oxy. All right. Tilray, Snow, Oxy. Y'all quiet today. Snow. I don't think this stuff coming back down, honestly. Oxy, everything. I mean, most of this stuff is very.
Right here.
What? Same thing with Oxy. We're in Oxy right now. Similar deal. We had a little push up at the end of the day. Created almost like a hammer looking candle there on the 2 hour. If you go to the 4 hour, you got the hammer looking candle as well. Obviously, I'd like to see those be green. But yeah, Oxy again, another one that I expect to go 2 up. Not showing like the best looking setup on the chart, but that's how they do. All right. Got snap and charge point. I really would like. I think the charging stations will be something that will. The charging stations will be something that I feel if we get the pop tomorrow, they will move. They're setting up. We see that what's the infrastructure guy's name? Pete Buttigieg. He said they finna build 500,000 charging stations in the nation. So over through like 2030. So I hadn't even had a chance to do the math on that yet, but I don't even know how that's even like possible. So we'll see what happens. But you know, I don't think that's feasible. But we'll see what happens. It looks like they're gonna get a bunch of money to do it, so we'll see. Snap here looks like it's just resting on top of this Broadening formation. The way XLC was behaving, I wasn't really feeling it. But the last, I guess, week or two, it's been behaving pretty decent. So just been keeping an eye out for it. Only thing I'm in over there is AT&T. So we'll see. Viacom solid too though. I forgot about them. But yeah, this one's sitting on top of a broadening formation. It's not giving you the signal, but it's not giving you much of a bear look either. So this one right here, I just kind of look and see how the sector's performing tomorrow and see if this one's one that's going to push up. It looks like it should. Looks like it will get another higher low on the day on Snap. So that would be my expectation. I don't know if that'll lead to an inside day or like to a clear 2 up on the day, but that's how I look at Snap. I don't know if I see like downside action with these setups. I just feel like if it's already been going down, it's going to keep going down. And if it's been going up, it's going to keep going up. I don't feel like there's going to be a lot of divergence from what's already been happening. You may have some subsectors like we talked about today. I mean, everything that I've looked at has a similar looking kind of setup. So I don't know. It's meant to confuse everybody. So give everyone the impression that it's going to go down and then it pops back up. So I don't know. It might be like kind of one of those deals where you just kind of sit and wait and see what it does before you actually make a decision, and then kind of go from there. UAL. It's gonna be a stop pickers day just based on what I'm seeing with these setups. I don't see a whole lot that's like giving me the warm and fuzzies to the downside or the upside, to be honest. We got Coke Boys. We got the inside 4 on Coke. Yeah, I don't know. Coke's inside on the 4 hour. What are our levels here? 61, 64 is your high. It's not far. I may keep the alert up to see what it does. Okay. All right, what we got here? Next up, we got Crowd, then CVS. Looks like you see what you tried to go green at the end of the day on Crowd, which you did. Still red inside 4 hour. And we're two up on the day and the week. This one looks solid to continue tomorrow. We got entries, they just don't look too hot. So yeah, you got this 312 above 191.08 on crowd. And what else? If you took a 2 hour earlier entry, you could look at 188.60 as a level for entry. It's not bad. We got CVS and take two. Like that. Inside day. I don't like that. Take two, Roku. A whole bunch of pump faking going on. All right. This thing's flagging. So take two entertainment. This one's a big flag. Just be mindful of that. Well, it's just chopping up and down, up and down, up and down. Let's see. Let's see. No, we ain't got the Netflix yet. I don't even know if it's gonna make the list or not, but I'll check it out. Best you call it out before, because that one ain't guaranteed to make it. We got Roku. As you can see, Roku got hit hard. In comparison to the other setups we've been looking at, you see how Roku got hit real hard right there? That's what happens when there was kind of stocks. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. Okay, now this Netflix is the who was that? Whoever said Netflix, that's what I'm talking about. That's the shit I like to see. Yeah. It looked horrible on the macros, but goddamn the micros looking mighty fine. Mighty fine. All right. What we got here? This is 2 down on the day. Green 2 down. Oh shit. You know, those Greeks gonna be trash though, but you know, it could be a nice little run. What we got? High of 408 on that one, high of 407.81. All right. Isn't that interesting?
He wants to go with you. Stand up for yourself. I never picked a fight in my entire life. Look, you're not going to be picking a fight, Dad. Daddy-o. You're coming to arrest you. Okay, let's go. 8:55. Where are you going to be? I'm going to be after that. Right, you're ready. You're going to be in the car with her. Right. It's probably 9 o'clock. She's going to be very angry. Why is she going to go in with you? So let's go.
Oh, it's the 4 hour. I'm tripping. Ain't nobody correct me. Y'all just gonna let me put down the wrong level, huh? I see how y'all live. See what kind of friends y'all live.
Could have been doing something.
I mean.
You know what I'm saying? You know, y'all could have been like, hey, yo, Earl, that's the 4 hour, not the day. You know. I would, you know, me, you know. It's all good. It's all good. I see how it is. I don't leave me hanging out in these streets. Just playing with y'all. All right. Let's do this 4 hour. There we go. Boom, fixed. That's a good, decent one. What was that? Oh yeah, Luca CCL. Yeah. Luca 2340 entry level. 2290. Okay. All right. CCL been pushing too. Yeah, Win Chewy Viacom. $94.98. Win Resorts got some strength behind it. All right, now. As soon as they lifted the mask mandates, it was over with, huh? I watched the goddamn Hulu Zulu variant finna come up. Viacom held up pretty decent despite all the turmoil. Okay. The Hulu Zulu variant, yeah. Oh, I like that. That's that Marriott. And we got a day trigger on Marriott. Barely though. 176.48. $176.48. Let's mark that back to 42. Yeah. This one looks like a short, but I don't believe it. I think it's we get a 312 continuation or something like that. But it's not showing us that. It's just my That's just my feeling. Whoa, MRK, what y'all was doing? Y'all was getting tricky over here in the afternoon, huh? Interesting. That is very interesting, Mark. Let's see what y'all doing. Y'all struggling though. I don't know. One, two, two on a day. 76, 77. Let's keep it rolling, rolling, rolling. All right, we got fuel cell. They keep putting all these EVs on here because they're trying to tell us something. Fuel cell, okay. We got this on the 4 hour inside. Got a little squeaker. 2 up on the day. All right, all right. Yes. ETDVN football. Kroger, Zynga. Whoa. I'm gonna leave K. Roger alone. We got here XME, LVS, CBC. Yeah, Vegas stocks looking good. All of them showing good signs. What's we got here? It's a lot of setups that look like they short. Look like they're gonna go short, but actually not gonna go short. And that's what we say. We don't want to get caught up in the chop. It just look like there's a bunch of stuff that's giving you the sign that's gonna go back, that is gonna go down. But I'm not convinced on some of these. What I'm actually seeing is healthcare setting up for a good day tomorrow. That's what I'm seeing with these setups right now. I don't know if y'all been paying attention to the tickers that's been showing good strength and the ones that haven't. What's gonna happen if we do pull down in the morning? You're gonna have those that like pull down with the market, and you're gonna have those that are gonna do whatever they want to do. You want to identify those. It's gonna do what they want to do. GLD, GPS Caesar, G. Oh, excuse me. It sounds like, looks like Twitter's gonna be quiet tonight because there ain't much out there for people to see what's gonna hit. Mara EA. TSL, EDX. A lot of short setups. I don't trust them though. It's a couple of them though that look solid, but there's a few that I don't trust. Yeah. Take a look at CLF and MDT. What it is just like a lot of setups are giving you that mid-grade setup, like that I don't know setup. Like basically, they're giving you setups that go against what they've been trending lately. And so you can play like what you know to be true and what it's been doing, and then what it's actually showing you in the moment. And sometimes they could be in conflict. So for those, I don't try to play those. I just try to let them figure themselves out. So like there's only like a few that like I feel like really figure themselves out or are given like clear defined, whatever. Like again with CLF, it's the same thing with X that I said earlier. Like what I feel like is just they're showing this look only because of how the afternoon behaved, but I don't think it's gonna do anything with the trend of the stock. As you can see, the last part of the day it started to push back up. So I don't have any issues with CLF as far as I think it'll go back 2 up again tomorrow or very close damn near. I'm just going off of the setup. The setup isn't giving it to us right now. So we just need to watch it. It could pull down for a little bit tomorrow and then decide to come back up. So we just want to see how it does. Right now, the expectation though is that it's gonna keep going up tomorrow. back up above 22. That would be my hope, my plan. I wouldn't say hope, but plan for CLO. So, yeah, MDT, Nuke. TSM, DocuSign, GM. What a combination. None of those look worth my time. And I'm only looking at upside setups for a reason. An intentional reason. Roadblock. See, that's again, it's like in the middle. You just kind of, you don't know. Maybe later in the day it triggers it. You never know. You just kind of let it play out. You don't force it. Verizon Solo, BMY. It's Verizon still. On top of this broad formation. 5312. I'd say it was 5346. Look what on here, y'all. AA. We get to BNY Nike first. Down, yeah, 2 down. $66, $67. So you got Nike, then Alcoa, then Southwest Airlines. Hey, flagging. See what happens on that. This is Baidu, Penn Gaming, Amazon. Penn Gaming, Amazon. Shit's too quiet up in here. Right, it's killing me. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Penn Gaming. This looks no clean signal, but you may want to put a target there or a signal above 5071. Be an entry on Penn. Put it back in continuity. Do this in the chat real quick. Yes. Yes. Just don't know which direction it's going to go. Wow. It's been in an uptrend, so the expectation will be that it's going to continue going up. Same exact thing. TPR. Same exact thing. Oh. THC looks like a monster right here. It? That's fire. In the bag for these tickets. Chicago here. MLCO. What is that? Active Vision. My eye on Active Vision. Anyone picking the Pins like a downside play. We want two below 22.58. The entry. CCJ, same thing. This one actually here, I wouldn't take a downside move. This one's probably going to stay up. Looks like it could. We may try to fill that leg down, but right after a gap up, I don't know. That's not logical to me. XY. Yeah, XY like to keep going tomorrow. Yeah, with the double inside. Delta and American. They'll keep going as long as the news is there. I could see them going possibly tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna add them to the list, but I think they could go. Ain't much better setups out there, but still, I don't know. Man. Lose. I got a week, 2 weeks. Everybody eat. That's it.
Scanner, one second. Woo.
Hey. Yeah, wow. Looks like I've seen the most consistency out of healthcare stocks. I've seen by far the most bullish setups and tickers that were bullish out of healthcare going into tomorrow. So they could be ones that go out the gate, whereas some of the other ones will have to kind of do their reversal. Got a BMY trigger in there. BMY doesn't like non-standard weeks though. What else? I wish the charging stations had better looking setups because those are, I think, buys. More work. I'll do some more scanning real quick of some more tickers, see what's out there. But I think we found what we're gonna find. Besides that, it's other stuff that we already in was moving.
Juicy.
Yeah. Meanwhile, we got the trigger locked in for that one. AMC Beyond Riot. Pepsi, Blackberry. It is. Mm-hmm. Man, looking too good out there, is it? Etsy, Lee, Zoom. Speedy over there got there doing the baby rub, like when he rubbing his hands together. Leo. Yeah. Tell the dot, Jamia. Yeah. All skills on. Chop. Okay, y'all had a 2 down day today. $62.30. That's we're gonna be in way before that. Marriott, KR, and Mark. I like the MRK setup. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, straight to the middle. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see something in the chat. I'm listening. I think I can let y'all go. We got done in like an hour flat, so that was pretty impressive. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we looked at MO, Sean. Yeah, MO looks pretty good. It's just a big flag to me on MO. It's just not a pretty chart, but it's just a big flag. Give us some time, double inside weeks, and sit on the bottom of these broad informations. I mean, yeah, sit on the top of this broad information here. So, yeah. Then we've got 322 potential on the 4 hour above 50.32. We'll mark that. Yeah. Right. Sure. There ain't no more to it. I'm gonna let y'all go. Figure out what I'm about to eat for dinner, and then I'll be in the chat a little bit later to drop this watch list off in there. So until then, I'll catch y'all later. Peace. We here.
Here.
Hey.